nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today something very easy, always summer time now, something al bacio is super easy. I'm going to make beetroot hummus. It's very nice when you have a friend, you can make some crostini, some bruschette, just it's absolutely delicious and super easy. I'll show you what we need. Of course, we need some soft cheese. This is 100 grams. 2 beetroot, they boil one, just plain. I'm gonna use half lemon, 40 grams of Parmesan, some parsley, how much you like, 1 garlic, sesame seeds, just to the end on the top, salt, pepper, olive oil. Always guys, if you like this video, share with a friend if you can, subscribe on the channel or check our website, cookingwithanitalia.com. But we cook for the family, very good. Cheese inside. You don't have to respect any order, okay? Beetroot, just chop them roughly. Parmesan, if you like, is very good. Parsley. The garlic, I think one for this amount is a little bit too much. I'm gonna go for half. My camera woman say all. Okay, later I know she gonna complain it's too garlic. But anyway, half lemon. Inside. Salt, how much you like. You can add here, example, if you like, you can put some capers, anchovies, everything you like and you think match, you can try, okay? Black pepper, a nice amount of olive oil, the good one. This is from Puglia, from my cousin, is the best. And now we blend, guys. Okay guys, look at the color, it's amazing, no? It's absolutely super. Now we try if you need some little bit more salt or anything you like. Wow, al bacio, spot on. You can try, even with some bread. Guys, try this. You don't believe how refreshing it is. You can impress some friend. You can make some bruschette. Just you can use any for the salad. It's absolutely delicious. My beetroot hummus, guys, is this. Always super. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.